What is up, love? It's your girl Naomi, aka AYO, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I decided to do a Valentine's Day inspired look. It's pretty like rose gold-ish. It's Valentine's Day inspired. So make sure you guys are subscribed down below, and let's go ahead and start this video. Alright, so I'm going in with the sculpting shade in the Black Radiance Contour Kit, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade all over my lid. I've already primed my eyelids with the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toffee, and I set that with my Airspun powder, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to use this color as my transition shade. So I'm going back into that same palette, and I'm using the contour shade on the outer part of my eyelid. So I'm using my Coastal Scents palette, if I can get it open. Whew, that was hard. And I'm just going to take my fluffy brush, and I'm going to use this shade right here. It's kind of like a orangey brown color, and I'm going to use that all over my lid. So I'm taking my Cosmetics San Fransisco palette, and I'm using that shade, and I'm just going to use that in the front part of my eyelid. So I'm taking a brush and spraying it with the Badsecu spray. Then I'm going to go into my NYX London kit, and I'm going to take that color, and I'm just going to pack it all over the brush, and then I'm going to pack that onto my eyelid. So now I'm spraying a smudge brush from e.l.f., and then I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Super Shock in the color Highly Wasted, and I'm going to be packing that into the center of my eyelid. So now I'm going to smudge out my waterline, and then I'm going to apply mascara. Alright, so I'm adding some highlight to my face, then I'm going to put on some lip gloss to finish off the look. So make sure you guys are subscribed down below. Peace, love, and stay beautiful. See you guys on my next video.